In 1975, a man named Gary Dahl, who worked in advertising, came up with a unique idea during an ordinary conversation. He heard people complaining about the difficulties of taking care of their pets, and that's when Dahl had a brilliant and incredibly simple idea. The pet rock. Yes, you heard that right. Gary collected smooth, round stones from the beaches of Mexico and decided to sell them as pets in a small cardboard box. Each box had a ventilation hole and a bed of straw for the rock to rest on. The best part was the humorous instruction manual included with each pet rock. This manual humorously explained how to train the rock to follow basic commands. Of course, as a joke, Dahl's bizarre idea turned out to be a massive success. During the Christmas season of 1975, pet rock became incredibly popular. People were buying this funny and cheap pet as a gift for their loved ones. Each pet rock was sold for just $3.95, and within a few months, Dahl sold millions of these rocks. This simple idea brought Gary Dahl approximately $1.5 million in just a few months. Considering the economy of the 1970s, this was an enormous amount, and Dahl quickly became a legend in the business world. Pet rock soon became a pop culture phenomenon. The media was buzzing about this strange but successful business idea, and Dahl became an icon in the world of creative entrepreneurship. Even today, pet rock is remembered as a prime example of odd business ideas and innovative entrepreneurship. Gary Dahl's story shows us how simple yet creative ideas can be incredibly profitable. The thought that even an ordinary rock could turn into a multi-million-dollar success is truly inspiring. That's the story of how Gary Dahl made millions with pet rock. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next video. Take care.